Hello guys, and welcome to my Python tutorial series. This series will be ground up, so you don't need any background knowledge to follow. With that out of the way, let's get into it. Let's learn how to get Python up and running. First, we have to download Python itself. So let's go to python.org, link in the description, and download Python. The download should pop up in your downloads folder or shown on your browser. All we want to do is run it. For people who use Windows, you'll see this tiny checkbox on the bottom of your screen that says Add Python to Path. We have to check that mark and click Next until you're done. Now that we have Python installed, let's install an IDE where we can write our code. I'll be using PyCharm, but there are many IDEs that we can use. Let's go to jetbrains.com or link in the description and click Download Now. We're going to be using Community Edition for this tutorial, so click Download and run the file. Now just keep pressing Next until the installation is over. Once it is, you'll see this screen. If you do, it means that you are officially up and ready to go for Python. So tune in next time to check how to do your first project in Python, and goodbye.